What's up, YouTube? We on the shawl with it, with the homie Mo right here, and that 10-speed thing. Shit. Might as well put it in sport. See what it's talking about. Open up these valves real quick. See that track mode, all that. All right then. Let's get it. Six. I love downshift in the second. Fourth, alright. Motherfucker, this thing feel good. Second. Bust the little Yui. Let's try that one. Let's run that back. Put it, went back to auto. Fourth. Spin the block, man. We gotta get up out of here. We're going way too fast. Stretch limo, wow. Who in this thing? Bro had a Jerry curl. Oh man. All right, let's see, can't touch the steering. Now let's just try out my mode. I just opened up the exhaust, nothing crazy. Yeah, gauges, thing looking solid. So tell you what though, shifting through all these gears, man, this 10-speed, it's a lot. Keep this shit going. Slide up the middle. Oh man, use your blinker, bro. He got the handicap thing and he not using the blinkers. Betty whipping up over there. Look, he had to stop. Come on, bro. You ain't getting no Betties right now. Chill out. Alright. Hit a little lefty. I'm just extra. I'm out the window extra. All the way back down. All right. Shit, that's how the car would have did it right there. All right, make a little nice right turn. Mustang. Wasn't a GT though. Oh, they know Nah, look, I'm finna hit this stop sign. You getting busy. Four gang. Alright. Oh yeah, they playing around. We finna hit that. Back to auto. Tesla flyby. We going, what, 35, 8th gear? Crazy. Oh. I'm here backfire too, little burbles and shit and stuff. It's on the little normal mode. It's not even sport mode. That's the crazy part. Got the sun in my face. That's why I put that down.
Like, why niggas never come to the parkers mode?
Right. Park burnt out. That's where the base heads go.
They not gonna bother me. These niggas in there cool.
Right. Oh man, here we go. Well, yeah. Homie Sean just got his exhaust done. We gonna see what it's talking about. Hey man, go ahead, rev that thing, man. Let me see some. God, that shit sound, yeah, that's chunky. See. At 300 then, man. Hemi boy. My man, a Hemi boy. Sheesh.